Hey friends, well, the government shutdown looms. We are into the third week. Now, I told you last time the average government shutdown lasts for 8 days, but the record number was back in 2018 and 2019, where it lasted for 35 days. And these yahoos seem like they're going to give that one a run for the money. It's just weird that we might not have the same government when we come back, as some agencies might disappear altogether based on some of the threats being made. So lots of details yet to happen. In mortgage-related news, rates continue to slowly get better. We're still not at the levels that we were at before the Fed cut rates, but we are at the best levels that we've seen since then. So that's some good news. Now, the Consumer Price Index should have been out this week, but again, it got delayed because of the government shutdown. They're still not releasing the BLS numbers. And again, like I said, they missed that by a day. So it's weird and partly preposterous that those numbers aren't out. But whatever, I don't make the rules. Then, but as far as the CPI goes, that's going to be released next Friday. And so that's going to get released right before the Fed meets the following week to discuss the next move in interest rates. So a lot is going to hinge on that number because we have so much less data that's come out. And so we will really have to see what that number is. Now, so if that number is a big miss, if the consumer price index goes down a lot, the Fed's likely to cut rates further. If it doesn't, or it's hotter than expected, then the Fed is likely not to move on interest rates. I mean, guys, rates are still sitting at the best level they've been in quite some time. Overall, we hit this last October, and then we haven't seen rates this good again until this September and October. So, I've got people sitting on the sidelines. I got people waiting like rates are going to come down further. Like, maybe they do. The economy's still performing pretty solid overall. There's not pressure for rates to come down. And with what's going on in the government, it's all a coin flip. But if you need anything or advice, or are ready to move forward, or need to refinance your house because you bought 6 months ago and rates are a lot better, I'm your guy and you should call me. I'm Zalmanoff. Peace out.